tribe. Habitat for Humanity. Yes, is this Habitat for Humanity restore Rosary MA? You gave me this Hampton Bay fan.
Okay.
But there's these tips at the end of the blade. Sharp tips. You said this fan was for a child's bedroom. And this sharp tip right here can poke my child's eye out if he decides to get close. Now, why did you sell me this fan? It's not for a child's bedroom. These blades are going to have to get replacement blades. Because this is sharp here. And this could poke my child's eye out. This right here. It hits my finger. So I can poke my child's eye out. You serious? No. Look, also, you only sold me this fan with 3 blades. 2 blades I'm missing. Why? Now I need you to fire the company who made these who's making these fans. Specifically Hampton Bay. They stopped making fans? Well, you're gonna have to find the former owner of Hampton Bay and tell him these fans are a child hazard that you're making. These fans are dangerous and could poke a child's eye out. No? You mean I'm going to destroy this fan? They made it awful. I have to pay. Now I am going to destroy your fan. Because there's a hazard and these pointy tips right here can poke a child's eye out. No? Well, I'll show you no. Because this fan is dangerous. It is dangerous. Oh, yeah? You sent me a fan also with colorings on the back of the blade. How do you think I'm supposed to think that's good and beautiful? These blades are dangerous. And they're made of breakable gold pens. He can just jump or just spin the fan. He can spin the fan and the blades can come flying off. Yes, it happened to me while I was trying to move it. Yes. Now why did you make this fan? Specifically the Hampton Bay Washington Junk. The Hampton Bay Junkington 3. Why did you make this? The Hampton Bay Hazarding 3 is garbage. And, well, I wouldn't say garbage, but it's dangerous and a hazard. Why? And your child could easily stick their foot in the motor and when the fan is moving. And why did you make this fan? No? You serious? Let me show you no then. Because, hey, why did Hampton Bay? Now I need you to stop making these blades here. I did not notice this when I was buying it from Habitat Humanity. I am in the same car as both of you again. So, I am going to buy replacement blades for $100 and I am going to fire you. I will become the president and I will fire you, Habitat Habitat and Hampton Bay. Now you are not supposed to be making these fans. You get me? Friends, no? Well, you have to. Because this could poke my child's eye out. I love my child. Then why did you make this a kids' room fan? It has drawing on the back. My kid does not like fans with drawings on the back, and he does not want his eye to be poked out. Why did you make this fan? Actually, I'm going to buy a new fan and I'm going to throw this all in the dump, or I put it on the Facebook Marketplace for people who don't have a child to keep it safe. My child could be playing with this fan anytime and poke his eye out because of this hazard. Well, I'll show you. Okay, guys. I'm sorry for my wild actions. And this, I'm sorry. It was just a crazy video.